Guys, so this is my first video. It's probably gonna be pretty lousy, but nevertheless, it's the repair of the satellite LED plus freshwater uh, infrared sensor that ripped off the end of the wire. So here's the remote, and here's the light. If you got the satellite light, you know what it looks like. Um, and here's the sensor that I ripped off the end, and it's repairable if you got soldering skills or someone that does. When you take it all apart delicately, you peel off this rubber thing here, and it exposes this holder here, which holds the sensor, which is sticking up in the air on the wires there. Um, so anyhow, I need a pointer here, and you can see that these three connectors right there have three different color wires. With if you let the optical sensor point down and point the open end of the post towards you, the green is on the right, the clear is in the center, and the red is on the left. And you can see the broken wires in the background. And when you take off the yellow, the clear cap, you got to do that too. You'll see the sensor, and it's embedded in silicone inside this thing. So you got to carefully scrape and cut that all out, and then you can pull it out and snip the wire with snippers like I did, and get three fresh wires, and you can solder it back onto this optical infrared sensor, the little black thing right there, and that is what receives the signal from the remote. So I push the remote, and bada bing, I get light, and it's lit. And I can change colors, I can do whatever I want with it. You know, it's fully functional. So anyhow, that's the long gist of it. I have to put it back together now and re-silicone that in place now that I've soldered it. Hopefully your soldering skills are better than mine. And that's the repair of the infrared optical sensor for the satellite freshwater LED. I'm sure it's similar for the other ones, if you're unfortunate enough to rip it off like I did. So good luck.